So what are we doing now?
We are going on a motorcycle ride. We're going to go check out Bert's and we're going to go to Pomona Harley and
We're gonna go see Mountain Motorsports in Ontario. Yeah, they got a big old, what was like sign out there coming back from Glamis, and I haven't been there yet, so go check it out, and then go check out Bert's Mega Mall. They're having a garage sale today. So we finished working on the X3 a little earlier, and now we're gonna take the bike out. We'll get some film of us doing a ride. And there's the GoPro right there.
And why are we taking the motorcycle?
Because we can.
So we don't buy anything at Bert's.
Nothing too big we can't carry on the bike. So we just took a ride on the bike to Mountain Motorsports. Seeing the billboard, come back from Glamis. Here we gotta check it out. I think Bert still has some billboards out there, but we always saw the Bert's billboards before. Never checked out Bert's. We've been there. We're gonna go there next, actually. But since this had billboards out there by Glamis, we figure it's got to be a big deal. Right now, doesn't look like such a big deal. But we'll go in, we'll check it out.
Let's check it out.
Bigger inside, huh? Electric.
Ooh, electric.
Right in line is what we got going. £78 of torque. Nice 4-seater XP right there. Looks good. Ooh, I see popcorn. Honda Talon. First time I've seen one in person.
This is out back.
What is that, a video camera?
It is. It is.
My name's
Hey.
Evan. It's online. Find me at Mountain Motorsports.
Great.
You know what I mean? If you vlog, I don't know.
This place just keeps going and going. What are you finding back there, Dean?
More toys.
More, lots of toys.
Keeps going and going.
Grief.
Wow. So cavernous.
So do you want to take back what you said earlier?
I said, we'll see. I give him props. Oh. Yeah, I can do this. Really cheap. For sure.
Pretty cool. But my butt is not sitting on that seat.
Well, you can sit right there. Look at foot pegs for you. Okay, so we went to Mountain Motorsports and we walked around. You saw all that. I got to tell you, I was pretty impressed. Between what they have for sale for side-by-sides and what was in the back lot not ready yet and what was still in crates, I'm guessing they probably have well over 100 different side-by-sides. Good bike selection. I like the retro, the new bikes that look like old bikes. Those are kind of cool. I think you're going to get a Grom, right? A Honda Grom?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the perfect thing that we need is a little 125. A couple of them. Little on the back of the motorhome.
Yep.
That might be an idea.
Maybe.
So we're going to continue our little Saturday adventure. We're going to get something to eat. And then we're going to head over to Harley Davidson shop in Pomona. And Bert's after that.
Well, we made it to Pomona Harley. Some beautiful bikes in here. Hey guys, we made it to Bert's Mega Mall. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, they're having a big garage sale today.
So we're gonna go check it out, take you guys with us and see what we can find. They got a little bit of everything here.
Hardwood. We should get the swing set in there.
Yep.
Wow.
Pretty cool stuff here.
It's like the sand show.
It does. Except for everything's not as crammed packed as that. What are they?
Beach combers. We had these on our Corvair.
Oh, okay. That was the tan buggy? Yellow.
Flip snowmobile.
Right. Cages.
That would be a kick in the pants.
That's pretty cool.
Couple air filters.
Oh. We have sure seen a lot of motorcycles and side-by-sides and jet skis, Sea-Doos today. Wonder what everyone's buying. Pretty cool. Honor our firefighters, and honor the police. I find them everywhere I go. Gotta love socks. I may have to buy a pair. Pretty fancy.
Yes. Probably set up to use the bathroom.
You look pretty natural right there, honey.
I like it.
Well, we just finished up at Bert's. We're getting ready to head home, and got to get Dean packed for his adventure to Atlanta, Georgia.